Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where we do a little bit of beauty, fashion and lifestyle and everything that looks pretty. Still out of idea for Mother's Day, still don't know what to get. I have few ideas for you. Oh yes, you are the right place. So if it's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing to this channel. Drop me a hello in the comment box, and without wasting more time, let the fun begin. Today, just like the title of this video says, we're doing a Mother's Day special. So Mother's Day done right. This is a last minute Mother's Day gift, guys. So it's gonna be like here and there. It's not from like one place. It's here, there, what I have in hand, what I think, and what I believe that moms like. So I do have some of them in hand. Some of them we're gonna have to go through my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys. First of all, let's start with what I want for Mother's Day. So I think for Mother's Day, I'm gonna drop it there right now. So if you're listening, my Mother's Day gift, I want a perfume. Yes, so that's the top number one on my list for Mother's Day. And which perfume? There are quite a few that I'm interested in right now, but if I got to pick one, I'm gonna choose the Creed Adventures. Yes. I have no idea what it smells like. I have no actually what it looks like, and based on the review that I've seen on YouTube so far, it has this fruity floral smell. That's top rated in at number one, so that's what I'm looking for to put my hands on. There, another perfume that I will recommend will be the Miss Dior perfume set. So basically, it is a package for Mother's Day that Dior put together. It comes with a perfume, a mini perfume, and the body milk. So I fell in love with the packaging. It looks so pretty. I had a Miss Dior. I smelled it before, so I know exactly what's in there. But even though the scent is a little bit different from the original version, but trust me, it's still a good perfume to invest in for Mother's Day. As the year goes by, it gets so complicated picking a gift for the same person. And sometimes it gets easier, sometimes it gets complicated. So let me make it very simple for you. Mother's Day. We're going out. Gotta look good to start with. And first of all, let's start with a hair. Yeah. I'm gonna go with this. So, I'm a crazy person when it comes to hair. Like, I change my hair almost every 2 or 3 days. I like to look different on a daily basis, basically. So, Love Me Hair is one of those hair that is out there. I've been seeing like so many reviews, so many comments online. So I was curious. I decided to give it a try. I was just trying, then it became an addiction. So we had three. This is my fourth one so far. So if something is that bad, will you really put that much money in so many numbers? Just to put it out there, they have like pretty nice, pretty cute hair. Like, I really love them, and they come out so fluffy and natural. This is my fourth one, and I'm just gonna show you guys quick what it look like. We're gonna do the review, but that will be for another day, not today. So this time I went more with color. Okay, so this is what it is. We're gonna get into the details another day, but if you're looking forward to pick a good gift for mom, this might be one of the options, because honestly speaking, I love pretty packages and it comes handy, and I really love the way this hair feel like. So this is something that is worth investing in. So I'm definitely gonna find one for yourself, and if you're lucky enough, you will get a second one for free for mom as well, or only mom is gonna be getting one. So that's what we got. China. Some moms love purses, and we color them a lot. So when it comes to purses, let me say, as of right now that we getting closer to summer, like summer purses are like the stylish one to go for. And I would say pick a tote bag. Those tote bags, I have few of them that I will recommend. I would say my first one will be, it's not expensive. I picked it from Amazon. I picked this light blue one from Amazon. It is clear. It is a see-through pretty much, and it has a shoulder strap as well, but I am gonna use it more as a daily basis bag. Pretty easy to take to the beach, and I'll have a link in the description box. It is on Amazon, and I can definitely tell you that it was below 50. So that's what we got here, and it looked pretty cute actually. I picked blue because I do have a light blue sandal that I got recently that is gonna go with it, and that was the main reason why I picked it. But it does come pretty handy. Just that you don't have a privacy though. Everything else that goes in here is gonna be out for the public, no privacy. And so I didn't stop there. I got a second one. This one is more like a light pink one, but they have the same size. This is more your outgoing lady bag. Price is below 50 as well, and this one is more like a, it's more leather like it has a strap as well. And in addition to that, we have somewhere here that you can put your cards and all of that. I couldn't decide which one I should go for, so I took both of them because I think I need both of them. But that is what we got. Bag. It is a pretty classic bag as well. I would not say must have, but it is a good to have little medium, I would say, handbag that you should have in your closet. So another idea for Mother's Day, it is this strawberry bag. Oh. Okay, so another adventure, yes, another handbag, yes, as a shoulder strap as well. All right, so that's what we got. It is pretty nice. Like, I like it as a handbag versus a shoulder bag. It is easy to handle. It's not too big, it's not too small, and this particular color just like literally go with everyone from fall, spring to summer. So this is what we got. Price wise, this is a little bit more on the heavy side, so I'm gonna leave it in the description box, but be a good investment for Mother's Day. So mom deserves one of this. Set those on the side, and let's talk about the one that I don't have my hands on, but that are online. And okay, so another bag that I find very mom friendly that is out there is the Scope Everyday Italian leather bag, and it is pretty straightforward, I would say. It's a simple, easy, mom-friendly handbag for your everyday run. It is a tote bag. It is pretty unique and stylish. I love the cuts around it. It is so pretty. Just look like a flower on its own. And you can put pretty much anything in there, or you can even turn it into a work bag if you wish. It does support personalization as well, and I think it should, yeah, you should be able to add like initials to it if you wish. Just that it adds a little bit more of a cost to the bag. The initial price itself is $1.99, and with the personalization, it adds a little bit more to it. It adds about $12.50 more to it. If it's something that you're interested in, the link will be in the description box, and don't forget to check it out. Another interesting bag that we have out there is the Coach Tabby bag. This particular one, I would say it has a perfect size for retired mom that don't have like too many things to carry around, and not just for retired mom, but even for the younger one as well, like my fashionista mothers, yes, because it is small, classic, and stylish. It does have a strap as well. You can make it a shoulder. You can make it a shoulder bag, which make it like pretty handy, and it come like in so many colors. Like it is a celebrity friendly bag. I guess it is a celebrity bag. That's how I call it. So that's another good little purse to invest in. If you're looking more for something like a necklace, jewelry, and just like I said, Kate Spade has some pretty cute bracelet, and they do have some necklaces as well, just to make it more like a friendly, girly type of thing. Yes, and I did pick quite a few from Amazon as well. Yes, Amazon does have some pretty cute necklaces and bracelets as well. let me tell you a little tiny secret. You all know that I love Zara, period. Zara have some pretty quality stuff that they sell at affordable price, I will put it. But when Zara add the price up on something, that tells me something. So if you know what I'm saying, um, um, if you were earring person looking for jewelry, all of that, yes, Zara have like an amazing range of beautiful earring. I love them. But there is a particular one that catch my attention. So if you're looking for earring for Mother's Day, I am gonna recommend you a particular one from Zara. It's called the Elite Top Bee Flower Earring. It's a special edition. That's why I said when Zara does something out of the blue, pay attention to it because there is something behind it. At the beginning of this year, actually, Zara did put out a bee earring that was about the same price or nearly $200. And there was a reason behind it because it was unique and specific, like a pretty stylish classic limited edition. Now we have like another version of it, but this one is a little bit more longer. So if that is something that you should invest in. Most of Zara earrings they range in the 20s and 30s dollars, but this particular one, the details that they added to it make it cost $169. Yes, you can see on a picture. I love it because it's long. The first one was just like a flower with a bee. I love it. Like I am so in love with this. And y'all know I go crazy about things. So, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Alright, so let me just tell you, I believe the main reason why this one is a little more expensive is because it have a, I'm not Russian, and English is my third language, so forgive me if I read it wrong, but they call it Swarovski, I think, something like that, crystal added to it. So forget about the pronunciation, but it does have some crystal, some quality crystal added to it, which make the price higher than their normal earring. And it's a brass piece with gold plating and black enamel. It's about 5 inches long and 1.8-inch wide. It's one of the pieces that you should invest in because, first of all, it is a limited edition. It's not going to stay there that long, and it really worth the investment. Those are like those unique pieces that you really want to hold on to, and it worth the investment actually. Okay, love. So thank you very much for stopping by, and happy early Mother's Day to all the mom out there and all the moms to be. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.